Hi, it's Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today I wanted to show you how to make up the impossible box. The SVG file will be linked below. This is a box where you can literally lift up the lid with your fingers like that, pop things inside, and then the lid slides down again and it closes itself up. It's really very clever. I don't know who designed it in the first place. It certainly wasn't me. I saw a demonstration on how to make it with the Paper Pixie, and I then created an SVG file to cut it out. So, with the arrows facing to the right, turn it upside down, or if you want to, just bend it from underneath. So this is a mountain fold. The one underneath the triangles or the arrows is a mountain fold. Now you want to score these folds really well, and so I've got a scoring tool here and I will do that. I've already folded and scored the tabs on the side. Now the next one you fold up into a valley fold for those of you who are used to origami. So there we are. And then the last fold on that edge goes down into a mountain fold again. So like so. There we go. So we just go right way across that little lot there, and then all the other folds are just folded in one direction, so whichever way round you have your tab going in is the same direction that you want your other folds to be folded in. Now, some wood glue. I'm just going to take a little while because it's very thick glue. It's going to take a little while to get down to the tip. There we are. Okay, and I'm just going to use my little finger to spread that out a little bit so we don't have a very thick wodge, and give that a good press down. And there's a piece of tissue that I can clean my little finger on. And I've still managed to get glue somehow on there. Never mind. Alright, so that's the way that it gets put together there. Now you need to decide which piece is your back, your front, or whatever. Not that it makes an awful lot of difference, and I really should have folded these beforehand and I forgot them. Never mind. Right, this one's going to go down first, then I'm going to put the two sides in, and then finally the other edge. So that is basically the box almost made, not far from it. So what we need to do is to I've gone and folded it the wrong way, haven't I? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, 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 dear. Right. Oh, this is going to be fun since I've now got it all in together. Right, now this tab here needs to go under there, but we don't want to stick it down permanently yet. What we need to do is to make sure our box closes. Now it goes against the grain, but you have to almost force this over the top edge. So now a little bit of glue in there, and then you glue that shut like so. There we are. Right, now the decoration. I have these pieces which I put through the Creator sticker, so I'm trying that out today just to see how it goes. Can't say that I'm overly impressed at the moment, as opposed to just putting some glue on the other side, but you know, I'll give it a bit of a test before I do anything else about it. Now this one I am going to have to glue normally because I haven't put it through the sticker thingy. I mean, on items like this, it isn't that difficult to put the glue on. What I wanted the sticker maker for was the more delicate items, like, you know, really delicate words and things like that. Right, so when I pulled this through, there's all this empty space here which isn't used, and I don't see why that should be the case. And this glue is kind of stringy. I did go over it with a bone folder to get the extra glue off. And yes, it sticks down okay, but I can't say I'm overly impressed by the wastage. You know, if I'm going to waste an inch every time I use it, I've only got to use it 18 times, and that's 18 inches gone, which, you know, may not sound much, but when the refills are reasonably expensive, it's going to be costly. Because if it's going to waste that much, I don't think it's very clever. Right. Okay. Which is a great shame, because I did actually request it as a Christmas present, and I should be most annoyed if it doesn't live up to the expectations. So I've just got some little decor pieces to put onto these sides. There we go, the finished box. Obviously you can put various decorations on there, but you can't really put anything on the top of it because that's the bit that opens. Now what you have to do is to open it and close it a few times in order to wear it in. So I think it's a really nice idea. This card might be a tad thick for it, I'm not sure. Maybe it's just the fact it's a very matte card. But it still works. It's a very tight fit, so you know, whatever you put it in there is not going to fall out. And it's certainly different as regard boxes go. So I really like that design. I think that's great fun. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.